Hey champs, let's have a quick walkthrough of Social Champs feature suggestions. Couldn't find the best content to post on your social media accounts? No worries. Social Champ has your back. Once on the Social Champs dashboard, click on Suggestions from the left column. Here you can find suggestions from the trending events to the latest news and happenings all around the world. Stay on the top and never miss out on anything. From the top search bar, you can search for keywords like cats, food, or even beauty to make your search more precise and targeted. Select your desired country from the top right dropdown. By clicking the Add RSS link button, you can add your own links along with the titles of your favorite websites and get suggestive articles. And all the RSS links you have added can be found in the Your Collection section at the left. Moreover, Social Champs, our suggestion list, shows a series of trending feeds for you to check out. Once sure of an article you wanted to post on your social media accounts, tap on Make a Post to create a post. Copy and paste the link of your post in the content creating dashboard from the top. Write something about your post. Add some creative hashtags and emojis to make it more expressive. Select your desired accounts from the left panel you wish to post your content with. You can either post it now, schedule, or queue it up, and it is done. Happy suggestion, champs!